Once again, I think you'd have to go online and see what the folks at JPL are doing. If you look at those very small autonomous helicopter-like vehicles that you see online, they look like they have quite a different shape than you would typically see. And as you notice online, they're testing that in a vacuum chamber, and they're varying the pressure there so it simulates conditions on the surface of Mars. And so I think you'd have to go online and take a look at that, and maybe we could tie those students in with some of those people at the Jet Propulsion Lab. I think if you go online, you'll see the person's name, and you might be able to contact them directly. Or you might be able to look at some of their technical papers that they've written, and I'm sure they would have the design of those particular propeller blades.